Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is have your shirt and face it flat down, like this. And I normally have the front of the shirt, you'll know if there's a picture or the tag is at the top, and that's facing down. Okay, so you're going to take the bottom corner with your finger and thumb, and you're going to take the top of your t-shirt corner of the sleeve, finger and thumb. And we're just going to go halfway, okay? So we're going to take it, we're going to lift it up, fold it over, like that. Okay, that's halfway. Now we're going to do the same thing, but on the other side. So we're going to take the bottom corner and the top corner of the sleeve, and we're going to match it to the other side. Just like that. Okay, fold it nice and flat. Last step, we're going to take the corners at the bottom and we're going to fold it all the way up to the front. And that, my friends, is how you fold a shirt. So now next time laundry is done, you can help fold the shirts. Bye!